So anyways, so this one, it's pretty good, but not as good. So, yeah. But I'll be showing you how, and I'll be showing you how to make your slime stretchier and more better if you have bad slime. So if you have lotion or any lotion you have will work. Like if it's white lotion, then it will make it bigger. So yeah, if you have any lotion, it'll work. It's just baby lotion does not make it bigger. That's
and
the
this
point.
is a baby.
So that's for this one. Sorry, that's my sister. Sorry guys, I'm just feeling a bit sick. So I look kind of bad. Well, not like it's a bad guy, just like I just woke up and stuff. So I usually just make like a hole, and then because I'm on my bed right now, I put it in the hole. Sorry, that's the blanket. My sister keeps on moving. So there, and then I put every side like this. You might do the same thing, and then it comes out somewhere. And then you just, if you're on a bed, be very careful. Because if you drop any slime, it will not come off unless it's putty or something. Unless it gets washed. If you don't like the sounds or whatever, please don't watch this part. Because I know some people think it's really satisfying. So, I'm gonna be on the floor. Cause it's kinda, oh, sorry. So, there's this one.
Here's my slime.
Yeah.
My slime's.
Oh, sorry. I had it turned on.
My slime's red.
Sorry, that's
and
your
there's
grandma.
hair in my That looks like my sister's hair.
We both have brown. It's probably yours. I never even played yours, so I'm putting a little bit more.
Okay,
So I just put that much more. And I'm gonna shut it. My grandma would not be happy. So yeah. So I'm just gonna. It feels so gross. I don't think you can see it because I didn't put very much, but I don't know.
It's fairly
Oh, there's some. Yeah, it's way in the middle.
Guys, if you don't like the sound, just don't watch this part. Guys. I can see a little thing there. And we can make swirls with this. Oh. Swirls, I think. Oh, I just made a hole. Watch mine.
Amanda.
I cannot do this.
So yeah. Comment. Let's see.
Comment down below
Comment slime
if you
like slime.
Don't comment slime if you don't like slime.
I was looking that way because I was just staring at myself in the mirror.
Yeah.
So yeah. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Have a not. Don't. Olivia said have a good day, but
No, I said day.
then you said day.
Okay, so I'll be showing you just one more.
Yeah.
Get up, make the bed, go brush your teeth. You're going home.
Okay.
I got.
Round up, clean up, you're going home.
So I'll show you my slime first. And
It's so tall. Oh my gosh.
this is my slime. It's red.
And I'll be making
Some more slime. Mine's kind of pink but red for me. On camera it's pink. Ew, that's garbage. Do not put garbage in your slime.
Just wait. If
It
you
would
like,
be crunchy.
if you like this sound, watch this. Just wait.
If you
like
don't-
the sound of crunchy slime, watch this then.
If you don't, then
Because
don't.
listen.
Listen to this.
Okay, it's all gone.
That's mine. I like the sounds. Ew.
So there's not gonna be very many videos because it's my sister's phone. My iPad's at home. I didn't bring it, so I'm not actually videoing on my iPad. So if you can see this right now, please just subscribe to see more slime videos.
Yep.
So yeah, I'll see you next time.
She's on my phone and I don't like that.
Oh, I heard that.